Hi everybody and welcome to my channel. My name is Taseen Azhar and I have been associated with education industry from last 10 years. I'm also working related to career services and counseling. So today the topic under discussion is about interview preparation. We'll discuss and this is like one of the major topic regarding interview कैसे prepare करना है what are the tips, what should be done, what should be avoided. So we'll be discussing all about the advantages, disadvantages, and some of the myths as well that has been developed by different candidates. Okay, so let's start. कि सबसे पहले before the interview, when you are going to appear in any of the interview, what you have to do, क्या करना होता है सबसे पहले किसी भी interview में appear होने से पहले. What are like some of the tips you can say? So number one, research about your potential employer. Whatever organization you applied for, जो जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ने अप्लाई किया उसके बारे में सर्च करो, उसकी वेबसाइट जाके देखो, अगर वो सोशल मीडिया पे उसकी प्रेजेंस है, मे बी अगर लिंक्डइन पे, मे बी एनी अदर प्लेटफॉर्म दे आर यूजिंग, और जो उनकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट है, गो एंड चेक थ्रू दैट व्हाट दे आर ऑफरिंग, उनकी क्या सर्विसेज है, उनकी अगर इट्स अबाउट प्रोडक्ट्स और इट्स अबाउट सर्विसेज इंडस्ट्री. So again, you need to check what are their values, what is their mission, what are their goals, objectives. You would be having an idea कि आप जिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में अप्लाई कर रहे हैं वो एक्चुअली करती क्या है, कहाँ स्टैंड करती है, क्या उसके कंपैटिटर्स हैं, एंड देन यू वुड बी हैविंग द होल दिस picture in front of you. Then if you have the knowledge about job description, that what they are exactly, उन्होंने क्या अगर एडवर्टाइजमेंट में क्या मेंशन किया होता है, उनको कितना एक्सपीरियंस चाहिए, क्या उनको एजुकेशन चाहिए, क्या ड्यूटीज रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज. If you have that job description in front of you, that's good. Otherwise, if it's not available or the company has not shared with you up till now, what you can do, you can search on the internet with the same title, maybe उसके competitors ने, maybe और किसी industry में, maybe किसी ने भी अगर related to that job, same job title में लिखा हो, तो you can search about that just to have an idea. Otherwise, it's more best if you have or if you get the information regarding the relevant industry, relevant sector, that will be more appropriate. Then you need to make a 1 to 2 minute script about yourself. That's about the pitch, that how you're going to pitch yourself in front of the interviewer. क्या जाके कहना है, क्या बताना है, like if he or she asks me about my introduction, introduce कैसे करना है मुझे. So that's the जो कहते हैं ना पहले 2-3 मिनट में, इवन इन टर्म्स ऑफ अगर मैं बात करूं अकॉर्डिंग टू सर्विस, जो रिक्रूटर्स होते हैं, इंटरव्यूअर्स होते हैं, हार्डली दे टुक जो आपका फर्स्ट इंप्रेशन से लेके दे मेक अ जजमेंट मे बी विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स. आप जब व्हेन यू स्टार्ट टॉकिंग, व्हेन यू स्टार्ट एक्सप्रेसिंग योरसेल्फ, सो यू नीड टू हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पिच. आपकी जो है स्क्रिप्ट बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग होनी चाहिए. यू नीड टू मेंशन ऑल योर अकम्पलिशमेंट, your education background. Maybe if you have some other if you're experienced candidate, so definitely you can start with your experience first. We'll discuss that what to do and what not to do. Last but not the least is the attire. Attire does an impact. It's had a very strong impact on your personality as well as on an interview. So we'll discuss about the attire first, because this is more about the attire, and then we'll further discuss about the next. Okay. Now tips about the attire. क्या पहनना है, ड्रेसिंग कैसी होनी चाहिए, क्या चीज़ feasible है, क्या चीज़ feasible नहीं है. तो you need to see. सबसे पहले when we talk about, अगर हम अपने if we talk about Asian culture या subcontinent या specifically India, Pakistan या Bangladesh, whatever in like हमारा Asian countries में, so it's again even in European country, so we prefer कि जो candidate है, he must be wearing a suit. Suit, what does that mean? Suit is basically you can wear three-piece suit or two-piece suit. But again, you need to see that कि आप किस environment में जा रहे हैं, कैसा है जगह. Even it's like again it's very hot, so definitely you can maybe have the coat along with you. आप उसको नहीं भी पहन रहे तो अपने साथ ले जाओ. So then comes your shoes and belt. Again, this is one of the major feature. Your shoes which should be matching with the color of your belt. In some positions, these things does not matter. But again, if we talk about corporate world, if we talk about good, maybe multinationals or maybe even any industry or any organization, so these things have a very good perception about the personality, about that individual, about that candidate, that that person know that he or she is appearing for an interview. So interview means that you need to be formal. You some people, I already had a lot of debates on different people. Ke, why can't we wear casual? So casual clothes are not for the interview. Definitely, if that job is about maybe freelancing है या maybe you are a temporary employee कि आपने कभी कभार जाके अपना सिर्फ और सिर्फ काम सबमिट कराना होता है या it's project based. So again, whatever you are wearing, that depicts you as a whole, as your personality, what type of person you are. So वही बात है कि जितना अच्छा रहेंगे, जितना अच्छा अपने आप को रखेंगे, it also feels good and also that gives a good impression. Then what need to avoid in terms of like colors, solid color, क्या colors पहनने चाहिए, patterns है, flowery है, maybe some characters हैं. So avoid these type of maybe ties, even shirts as well, because what you are wearing, again हम वही बात करें कि जब आप कोई चीज़ पहनते हैं वो आपको reflect करती है कि maybe I like to wear that, but that's again that's not the right आज अब जहाँ जा रहे हो वो राइट जगह नहीं है उस जगह चीज़ को पहनने के लिए. सो यू नीड टू सी कि आपकी जो टाई है या मे बी आपकी जो कलर ऑफ द शर्ट है, हम प्रेफर करते हैं लाइट कलर्स. इफ यू वांट टू गो विद लाइट, मे बी वाइट, मे बी लाइट ब्लू, एंड दैट शुड बी अ सॉलिड कलर. अगेन जितना फ्लावरी होगा, जितना मे बी फ्लोरल होंगे, मे बी अगर करेक्टर्स कोई कार्टून या समथिंग एल्स, समथिंग मे बी दीज अगर कोई tagline or slogans लिखे हुए हैं, तो that don't give a good impression. So make it simple, make it like solid colors in terms of shirts. In terms of ties as well, it should be matching with your suit. Maybe either you are wearing, अगर आप वही बात है, अगर black पहन रहे हो या blue पहन रहे हो या grey पहन रहे हो, so again you need to see आपके साथ क्या match करे. For men, again, it depends if you want to wear a ring. Otherwise, if we talk about Asian culture, we don't prefer men. Yeah, men usually don't wear rings. What you can wear, definitely you should wear a watch. Watch is really important factor. If you want to, अगर आपने अपनी shirt के अंदर cufflinks लगाने, तो do that as well. So again, just to build up a this impression or attire. So attire is another important factor. लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, अगेन हेयर कट, आपकी ग्रूमिंग कैसी हुई है, क्या पहना हुआ है, कैसे लग रहे हो, शूज पॉलिश है या नहीं है, सॉक्स का कलर कैसा है. सो अगेन दीज ऑल थिंग्स हैव they does have an impact, because once you enter the room, the way you enter the room, you are being like evaluated or judged, or just have a look of whatever you are wearing, because your attire is also representing yourself as a person. Okay, definitely. This is like two pictures. Who would you hire? Definitely, one person is very casual in clothing. The person is wearing, or the person is having some picture on his, or some slogan, or you can say something is written on his shirt as well. So again, this is very casual. This is maybe good for you when you're hanging out with your friends, or you're going out, दोस्तों में या कहीं और, maybe if you're going to with your relatives or family, that can be done, but not formally when you're preparing for an interview. So definitely picture number one is more appropriate and suitable. Okay, so now these are some of the tips regarding moments. Again, it depends on the what culture you are maybe living, or maybe the culture you are residing with. If you talk about, again, if I talk about this हमारा जो culture Pakistan, Indo-Pakistan का या Asian भी culture है, we prefer a woman. हमारे यहाँ पे अगर आपको interview है, if you're wearing a suit, that's good. Again, you need to have a proper shirt, tuck-in shirt with black या ब्लू या ग्रे. अगेन जो भी सॉलिड कलर्स है, आपके सूट पहनना चाह रहे हो तो आप यू कैन कैरी योरसेल्फ. अदरवाइज इफ यू आर वेयरिंग शलवार कमीज, इफ यू आर वेयरिंग any other things, so carry yourself very properly, very I can say अपने आप को you need to appear like professional also. I would say कि अपने आप को इस तरह लगना चाहिए कि you are So whatever you are wearing, matlab, I will, the word I was like missing, but the word I was trying to say was like gracefully. जो भी पहनो, जो भी करो, gracefully. उसमें grace आनी चाहिए. Like you look maybe good or wow. So whatever it is, but again, you need to see you are going in a professional setting. So आपका attire that should be according to that. Then comes jewelry. If I would like to wear matlab, heavy earrings or rings or maybe lockets or chains. So whatever you would like to wear, keep it minimum. Ring penny, you can wear 1 2 rings. Maybe watch is a must. Again, earrings that should be very small one or stud type. So again, very professional. In terms of your makeup, keep your makeup or lipstick or your this whole face very light, not that much like आप कोई wedding में नहीं जा रहे, आप किसी शादी पे नहीं जा रहे, आप किसी party में नहीं जा रहे. So again, keep it very professional, very light, very soft if you want to. So again, that gives a natural आपका जो look है वो that would be appearing. Another very important point about perfume, I will not say बिल्कुल avoid करो, लगाओ, but it should not be that much strong. बहुत strong लगा लिया, आपने लगा कि भाई you have like सारा ही लगा लिया, आज के दिन ही सारा लगा लिया. It should not be like that. It should be कि अच्छा हो, pleasant हो, एक okay fine fragrance are definitely good, but again how you're using them and not that much. ठीक है. Otherwise, if we talk about regarding your, if again you're wearing a suit, तो maybe आपके पास जो आप heels अगर पहनना चाह रहे हो या flats पहनना चाह रहे हो, तो again it depends on how you want to. But whatever you are wearing, carry it properly. अपने आप को, the way you carry, the way you show yourself, it all should be like professional. Because now we are talking about an interview. अभी मैं सिर्फ interview की बात करेंगे, interview में wear हो रहे हैं, तो आपका attire should be very much formal. Or maybe because women or girls want to carry a bag, again handbag आप अपना के जैसा ले रहे हो, so again it should be professional, बहुत loose या maybe जो बहुत बड़े बड़े जो bags होते हैं, big bags, you don't have to carry that. You can have a small bag maybe. अगर मैं कहूँ, should be more square जो stuff वाले होते हैं या whatsoever, like whatever you prefer. अगर आपने small, it would be maybe a clutch type as well. So again, whatever you want to carry with yourself, carry it very elegantly. Okay, now starting with an interview, like now you have arrived the venue, you know that this is the place that I have to. So first of all, you need to be there before time. If it's, for example, my interview is at 8:30 a.m. So I need to be there maybe at 8, maybe at 5 or 10. So I would be having the time to prepare myself. So I need to be there, arrive before your time. Whatever time the organization has given you on email or maybe on call, so you need to arrive before time. When you enter the room, there's some like it's a good gesture that you shake your hand or you greet or the greet your employer. Okay, again there are different debates like in our society. If I talk about this Asian culture or Indo-Pak, it's basically Pakistan. Some women don't prefer to shake hands with the maid, so it's okay. You just greet, you just say hi, hello, assalamu alaikum, or whatsoever your mode of greeting is, you can do that. Another very important aspect is your eye contact and posture. Like जिस तरह हमने कहा आपका attire matter करे, इसी तरह आपका posture matter करे. Like the way I enter the room, the way I greet, how much confident I am, ये सब चीजें बहुत important है. मेरा confidence reflect करता है, मेरी body language reflect करती है. I'll share a detailed video non-verbal आपके ये communication in terms of interview, how did this or how it has been reflected. Make sure whatever you are doing, whatever you are saying over there, you are energetic. Like आपके अंदर एक energy, आपके अंदर एक वो you can say that नजर आ रहा है कि यार I am really there for that organization. जो question के answers आप दे रहे हैं या whatever they are asking you, you are full of that energy, you are full of that passion होना चाहिए, आपको वो नजर आना चाहिए, passion reflect होना चाहिए. Last but not the least, whatever you are trying to say, if you want to give yourself time, like they ask you a question, if you don't understand the question, you can ask them to repeat. But whatever you are going to answer, articulate your words. Like अपने आप को time लेके इंसान अपने आप को redefine what you are about to say. समटाइम्स आप बहुत जल्दी बोलने की कोशिश में शायद कोई गलत बात या मे बी रॉन्ग यूज ऑफ वर्ड्स या मे बी आप उसको प्रॉपर तरीके से फ्रेज आउट नहीं कर सकते. सो अगेन टेक योर टाइम एंड देन गिव द आंसर्स. ओके. Now these are some of the basic standard questions I have just gathered जो ज़्यादातर organizations हमेशा like you have heard about कि जो लोग पूछते हैं in any interview in any organizational setting. Yeah. Starting with, okay, when you go and sit, even they do have your resume. It's not like they don't have your resume, but still they would like to ask from you, introduce yourself or tell us about yourself. So again, मैंने हमने पहले बात की थी pitch की, we should be having that. Then second one is some organization, even this is like the most common question, tell us about your strengths, weaknesses. So again, about the strengths, again, strengths वो बताओ कि अगर for example you are good at time management or you're good with relationship building or you are good with communication skills or you're good with meeting deadlines. So again, depends. These are just examples. This is example के लिए बता रही हूँ. It could be any other strength as well. Maybe it could be regarding your own area of expertise. First, I will come with the weakness. Again, weaknesses, definitely, we are all human beings. Human beings are supposed to have some weaknesses. हम में से कोई ऐसा नहीं है जिसके अंदर कोई कमी या कोई वो ना हो चीज़ ऐसी कि यार ये चीज़ मैं मतलब I'm not like perfect in everything. So you need to come up with some weaknesses. If you know, matlab you should be having a justification of that. If you say, for example, if you say I'm not good at managing time or नहीं हो पाता मुझसे, तो again you need to have a justification कि क्यों नहीं हो पाता. Maybe I go in details, maybe I go in more into nitty gritties, or I'm a very detail oriented person. That's why I could not like complete or could not manage that. So again you need to have a justification कि क्यों किस वजह से ये नहीं कर पाते. जिस तरह बहुत से लोग कहते हैं कि like I'm not I can easily or I can if anybody gives me a work I can easily say yes. I could not say no. I'm not it's not easy मेरे लिए आसान नहीं होता किसी को ना कहना. So again this could be one of my weakness. If you want to play like that, if you want to say like that, again आपको देखना है कि आप जो weaknesses बता रहे हैं उसकी आपके पास logics, आपके पास justifications होनी चाहिए, कोई reasons होनी चाहिए. Then again, another very common question, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Again, that should be coming up with a good plan. If you want to retain in that particular industry, you should be having plans. But if not, still, अभी आपसे अगर कोई पूछ रहा है तो definitely we have plans कि अच्छा यार switch करूँगा, ऐसे करूँगा. Maybe organization अगर sector या industry change करनी है तो again, but right now because अभी वो आपसे ऐसा कोई सवाल पूछ रहा है या that's interviewer is asking you, so you need to have some answer. Okay, another very interesting question is, what about this position do you find most appealing? Again, the position जो आपको title मिला था organization की तरफ से, जो आपने जिस पे apply किया था, so again you need to come up with the plan, why you applied for that particular position, क्यों apply किया था, क्या था खासियत, क्या ऐसी चीज़ थी that was like maybe relevant to your education, maybe experience, maybe you want to gain experience in that, so you need to have that answer. ये जो information है कि about the company, ये कहाँ से आती है? Definitely from the website. What do you know? अगर आप जैसे हमने पहले कहा था कि you have prepared up from their website, you have gone through their maybe social media, from their different news articles आपने पढ़े हैं, आपने देखा है maybe market में आजकल उसकी कोई चल रहा है कुछ और, people are talking about that, so you again you should be having an idea कि हो क्या रहा है. Last but not the least is the most favorite question of all recruiters, that why should we hire you? That what makes you special? Out of all, maybe there are thousands, maybe 100, maybe 50, maybe 10, maybe 5, maybe 2. मैं आपको क्यों सिर्फ हायर करूं? What makes you special? So you need to come up with a very good idea or maybe very good answer of this. Okay, what I am having, what is my maybe competitive advantage, what are my core strengths, what is my niche. So everything what comes to your like person जो हमने पहले कहा था pitch में, तो आपको थोड़ा सा redefine करना है अपने आप को, तो why you are best for this particular position. Okay. Now sometimes some organizations does ask you about your behavior based questions. Again, it depends upon the position, organization, industry किसमें apply कर रहे हो. तो वहाँ पे कुछ ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बिहेवियर रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन ये पूछती हैं, लाइक कैन यू डिस्क्राइब द मोस्ट वैल्यूबल क्रिटिसिज्म यू हैव रिसीव्ड, लाइक अगर किसी ने आपको कोई क्रिटिसाइज किया हो, how you react, how you behave in that particular situation. You need to come up with a maybe very good answer. अच्छा, let me give you example. अब criticism को भी again आपने बहुत दफ़ा आपको शायद कोई criticize किया हो किसी ने, but the way you handle or the way you manage that thing matters a lot. अभी यहाँ पे जो इंटरव्यू यही देखना चाह रहा है कि अगर आपको कोई बुरा भला कहता है या आपको कोई डांटता है तो आप कैसे बिहेव करोगे, क्या रिएक्ट करोगे, अगर से बदतमीजी करोगे, मे बी आर यू गोइंग टू गो विद एन आर्गुमेंट और अ फाइट, और यू आर गोइंग टू बी एक्ट मैच्योरली, you know how what are your limits and you know that I do have control on my nerves and I am going to respond accordingly. Then what challenges you have done in your previous role, if it's about maybe experience, so you must have some challenging, कोई आपने काम किया होगा या कोई task आया होगा या कोई situation आई होगी. If you are like a fresh grad, you don't have that much exposure of the industry, so might be your education as well. तो किसी का particular task, किसी का assignment में आपको challenge हो, किसी ने वैसा कोई project दिया उसमें आपको कोई challenge हो, तो you can share that, you can relate any example. Okay, then there are different questions. कोई project किया हुआ आपने किस तरह handle किया, क्या किया, either you were the main lead, आप group leader थे या उसके member थे, team member थे. So again, you need to tell that exactly what you have done, like your accomplishments. If there, it would be related to your FIP, final year project में क्या किया था, so you can discuss if you are a fresh grad. Okay, sometimes again this is a very interesting question. They can ask you about your previous boss. If you are having क्यों छोड़ के आए, क्या वजह है, organization की वजह से. So again I'll say don't start backbiting or cribbing about your previous organization or boss, even if that was not good. So again, that gives a very bad impression. Yeah, if you can do for your previous organization, you can do for our organization as well. Even वही वाली बात है कि there are good people as well. There are good maybe some events, or the overall organization was not bad, maybe your experience was bad, so you can mention that maybe that person was difficult person because of the challenging task, a challenging situation, maybe the thing I was assigned to that makes it challenging, but don't pinpoint any person name or any of the possession. That's just a suggestion that it should not be, because it gives a very bad impression. तो बहुत बुरा impression जाता है कि आप किसी की बुराई कर रहे हो. Again, because you are not there कि आप अपनी previous organization को, even it could be your education as well, कि अपने टीचर्स को, अपनी फैकल्टी को, अपने में भी जो आप जहाँ से पढ़ के आए हो, यार इन्होंने ये तो किया नहीं, हमें तो बताया ही नहीं, हमें तो पढ़ाया ही नहीं गया. So again, you don't want to do that. You have to like again build a very good image. वही बात है कि अगर for example आपने bachelor's कहीं से किया हुआ, आपने you have spent your 4 years, so those 4 years are very precious in your life. They have maybe आपको बहुत कुछ सिखाया है, maybe आपको कुछ बताया है, maybe बहुत सी चीजें अगर आपको नहीं भी अच्छी लगी, तो again need to have a very positive picture. Again, ये जो last question, it's again a very tricky question about the supervisor, about the person. Even that person can be your, अगर मैं कहूँ education में है तो supervisor can be your FIP project का जो आपका supervisor था, या आपका जो boss है, last boss था. So again, come up with a very good answer. What type of, again, don't go on that person's personality. अगर अच्छी थी तो you can mention again, but don't start complaining or maybe bad point or maybe cribbing or maybe like अच्छा नहीं था, ये नहीं, ऐसा नहीं करता था, मैं इसको बताता था, maybe for example नहीं मानता था. So you don't have to do like that. So again, this is showing basically your behavior. Right now, being an evaluator, being a recruiter, I am evaluating on your behavior. यार आप हो किस किस्म की पर्सन, what type of personality you are having. ये सारी क्वेश्चन इसलिए किए जाते हैं, बहुत दफा पर्सनालिटी, some people try to fake it out, some people try to maybe hide, तो आप ना छुपा सको, आप झूठ नहीं बोल सको. सो आप सोच रहे बिहेवियर क्वेश्चन या सिचुएशनल क्वेश्चंस दिए जाते हैं, विल कम ऑन टू दैट एज वेल, ताकि आपको और ज्यादा आपके बारे में they could have a clarified, they could have a clear picture. Okay, now these are some of the questions you should ask if they ask you in the end, okay, do you have any questions in mind? So I would suggest ask them 2 or 3 questions. If they can be, if you're a fresh grad, so definitely you can ask different questions. But again, if you're experienced person, and that you was like maybe you would like to ask about the salary, so we'll discuss the salary को किस तरह कब discuss करना चाहिए कब नहीं करना चाहिए. It depends and it differs a lot from position to position. कब कर सकते हैं कब नहीं कर सकते, we'll discuss. Okay, now these are very basic questions, that what type of training will I receive, what are the advancement opportunities, what is like the schedule, how I have to go with that. So again, these things demonstrate कि आपने company के बारे में पता है, आपको ये नहीं पता कि organization क्या काम करती है. As a employee की development के लिए, professional grooming के लिए, you can ask question कि अगर आप मुझे यहाँ पे रहने में अगर maybe there would be कि अगर I down the lane how can I मतलब career progression में क्या फायदे हैं, तो you can ask the employer के मे बी आपका प्रोबेशन पीरियड कितना है, उसके बाद क्या होगा, व्हाट आर द स्टेजेस, एंड देन व्हाट व्हेन यू कैन बिकम परमानेंट एम्प्लॉय, और आपका मे बी नेक्स्ट क्या होगा. तो यू कैन आस्क डिफरेंट क्वेश्चन रिलेटेड टू योर इंडस्ट्री, मे बी रिलेटेड टू दैट जॉब पोजीशन. Okay, so this was it. Okay, now comes some of the closing statements. Like now, maybe you both are like done with your question answer sessions. So these are some of the be prepared for the closing statement. Like maybe you can say that it was really nice meeting you. I had a very good experience, or thank you for giving me this opportunity. So again, it depends that up where you're sitting. So you can have like be prepared for the question. Maybe you can ask another question. The closing. Okay, the point I was discussing is about salary. The salary is something, अगर मैं experience position से बात करूँ, तो they will ask you. They will definitely ask you. Even for the fresh as well, they can give you, okay, what are your expectations? What do you think? What will the salary? If you want to give a particular figure, I will say give them a slab. That this is like slab is like something. आप उनको क्या like bracket दे दो. For example, if you're hiring for a fresh grad, so maybe it depends. Industry to industry and organization to organization it varies. But for example, you say 40 to 45 or 50 to 55, the bracket है. 50 to 60, so again it's a bracket. So they can like आपको पता है इसके दरमियान में I'm like fine. If it's an experienced position, you already maybe you have some search about, or you have asked, or something you have like, again you need to see कि brackets देना बेहतर है, या again you want to say that market compatible होनी चाहिए, even for the fresh grad as well. Sometimes you just don't want to give a bracket, you just want to have to see what they are offering you. So you can say whatever is market compatible आजकल जो भी हमारी particular उस industry में जो चल रही है salary, I would like to have that. So again, don't be greedy on that salary, because this is one of the factors. You have to see other factors as well, in terms of career progression, in terms of perks and benefit, in terms of other things, in terms of exposure. So again, see the brighter picture. Last but not the least, thank you while leaving that interview. Okay, thanks for having me, or thanks for giving me this opportunity. So again, thank you. And then greet, and then goodbye, and then leave that. So again, that's all is like, again, you are winding it up. So leave a good impression. Now these are some tips you can do. Send an interview, अगर आपने जब हो गया आपको thank you note कर दो, या if you want to like आपको बहुत अच्छा लगा, या कोई भी आपको चीज़ अगर आपको है कि, या मे बी इसका उन्होंने कहा कि आपको फॉर एग्जाम्पल अपने कहा कि मुझे ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स भेजने डिटेल्स वाले, तो अटैच करके थैंक यू साथ करते. सो अगेन इट कुड बी अ गुड जेस्चर. Now this is something that's been asked so many times कि इसको follow up करें, because being a counselor मुझसे बहुत से students पूछते कि मैम follow up होना चाहिए नहीं होना चाहिए. An interview that's been weeks, it's been so many days, they have not given me any response. I'll say this is the responsibility of the employer. If you are being hired or if you're not being hired, please inform the candidate. उनको बताएं कि क्या चीज़ है, so that they don't keep waiting for that particular position. They start searching again, or they look for other organizations as well. So it's better, अगर आप organization ने अभी तक जवाब नहीं दिया, तो you can write up कि it's that I appear on that particular date, you for that particular position. I just want to have a follow up. So again, in a very positive, not like threatening tone, or it can be an email. Sometimes it can be a handwritten. I say it's preferable to be an email. Hamzat, ab Now we don't go with the handwritten, it's not preferred. पहले होता था but now follow up is all on email. ईमेल पे ही हम सारा कुछ पूछ लेते हैं कि बता मतलब वट एवर लाइक इवन ईमेल कभी कभार कंपनी की तरफ से ऑटो जनरेटेड जो आती है कि लाइक थैंक यू फॉर अप्लाइंग और व्हाटसोएवर. सो अगेन इट्स ऑल शुड बी ऑफिशियल. हर चीज ऑफिशियल ईमेल पे ही होनी चाहिए. दैट्स द मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट आई कैन से मीडियम. नाउ okay, now these are like I have again compiled together some of very interesting myths and facts about interview or interviewing. That some of candidates were like ऐसा होना चाहिए मैम, नहीं होना चाहिए, क्या बताएं क्या नहीं बताएं, जिस तरह मैंने पहले बात की थी. Just come up with the first myth is if the interviewer asks if I have any negative or weaknesses, I should indicate I have none. So again, जिस तरह मैंने पहले कहा, हम we are all human beings. Human beings are supposed to make maybe errors, maybe um, they are supposed to have some weaknesses, they are supposed to have some, we are not perfect in everything. हमें कहीं ना कहीं we are like कुछ ना कुछ हमारे में कमियां हैं. Everybody have that, so we need to accept that as well. So you should be honest. Again, honest reply होना चाहिए. जिस तरह मैंने पहले कहा, जो अपनी weaknesses को if you can turn it around to your strengths, that's the best thing you can do. और you can come up with, जिस तरह मैंने कहा, you could have reasons और logics होनी चाहिए, reasoning होनी चाहिए, proper उसके आपकी justification होनी चाहिए कि ये ऐसा है तो क्यों है. So come up with that. Okay. Second myth is I will be at a disadvantage because I will be nervous. Again, this is all myth. We are all like, again, stress is something that's really common. Agar, for example, agar mujhe I have to speak in front of 100 people, so definitely there would be, I would be nervous. Kahin na kahin wo hoga. But again, you need to cope up with that. You need to again come up with that. You need to show how much confident you are. अपने आप को project करो कि you are confident. Just keep yourself calm, be yourself at ease, whatsoever. Just try to be normal, whatever you are. It's not like वो कोई बात नहीं कि अगर ये नहीं होगा तो कोई और हो जाएगा. This is not the end of the life or journey. So again, it's keep going. So just be yourself and keep yourself like normal. Okay, another myth: the candidate with the best education skills and experience will get the job. Again, it's a myth. It's not, does not have to go if you have like again 4 CGPA आपका, या आपका CGPA बहुत high है, या बहुत अच्छे थे education, या previous जो experience. Again, it does have matter, but it does not mean कि जो बाकी students हैं, जो बाकी applicants हैं, they're less than you, or or you're less than anyone. So again, employers को, organizations को, जो the organization that's hiring, they need a person who is like who is having different flavors, just not the education वो एक चीज में अच्छा but दूसरी चीज में अच्छा नहीं है. Again, they are seeking for a person maybe जो all rounder भी हो सकता है. This can be a very average person as well. ठीक है, फाइन, मेरी एजुकेशन सही थी, अच्छा था, ग्रेड सही, आई एम गुड एन एवरेज स्टूडेंट. एक्सपीरियंस मेरा कुछ है, मुझे पता है मैं क्या करूँ, आई हैव दैट इंफॉर्मेशन, आई हैव ऑल द things what I have to write in my CV. So again, whatever I'm depicting, whatever I'm saying, how much confident you are, how much, sometimes आपकी education, आपका maybe previous experience, it does not matter. It's just matter that how you are tackling this situation right now, or how you're responding to the interviewer, how you are telling them. Maybe once a look, I have seen in my my career, जिनके पास बहुत exposure होता है, बहुत चीज़ अच्छी होती है, but again they did not get the job. So employer is seeking for something else. Maybe they want to have a person शायद उसकी different personality हो, they just don't want a person who is just sitting at the back of the table and he's not maybe that much open to discussion or open to talk. He's very introvert type of person. So again, from the employer perspective, they have different things in keeping in mind for any particular position. वो कुछ और सोच रहे होंगे. So again, just be yourself, be confident. It does not matter मिलती है नहीं मिलती, कैसा जाता है interview. This is a secondary thing. But again, be prepared for that. But don't lose that अपने आप confidence ना छोड़ो. Okay, another myth that because I'm a college student or I'm a fresh grad, should I negotiate on the salary? As previously mentioned, जैसे मैंने हमने पहले कहा, negotiation of the salary is again पता है तो गुड, अगेन ब्रैकेट दे दो, या मार्केट कंपैटिबल, बिकॉज मार्केट कंपैटिबल जो चल रही है आई वुड एक्सपेक्ट दैट. सो ट्राई टू बी लाइक, अगेन जैसे मैंने कहा, डोंट show that you are a greedy person or you are just focusing on the salary. The salary is one of the important factor. I won't say कि ये important factor नहीं है. It is important, but again आपका उस पर्टिकुलर चीज़ में कितना करियर प्रोग्रेशन है, क्या ट्रेनिंग्स हैं, क्या ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में डेवलपमेंट होगी आपकी, एज आपकी प्रोफेशनल डेवलपमेंट कैसे करेगी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. मे बी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन दैट्स मल्टीनेशनल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन, आपका एक्सपोजर बढ़ेगा. सो अगेन मे बी हो सकता है कभी कभार आपकी बेसिक सैलरी ने इतनी मतलब मे बी दैट मच आपके लिए वो ना हो चार्मिंग, बट अब हो सकता है जो आपकी बाकी पर्क्स एंड बेनिफिट्स हैं दे आर रियली गुड. सो अगेन you can see that. But for the fresh grad, I'll say just ask him that I want to have exposure, I want to have experience, I want to gain experience. Experience होगा तो next time salary की तरफ बात करने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी. Right now I'm there for getting the experience. Definitely for the salary it should be market compatible. That's the maybe best answer or right answer. Okay, another myth about the interview. I've seen so many people कि बस यही job है, आज यही मिल जाए तो this is like end of life. This is not like that. You should be determined, you should be focused, you should be prepared, but that does not mean this is the end of the life, this is the end of the world. Be prepared for that. If it does not go well, if it does not go up to your expectations or the employer's expectations, again, it's okay, fine. कुछ नहीं होता, ये नहीं तो you would be having next one, वो नहीं तो the next one. So again, be positive. Sometimes you are not that much good fit for the organization. Maybe sometimes बहुत दफा I've seen individuals or candidates, those who applied, joined, and then later on they think, yeah, this is not the organization I was looking for. So again, बहुत दफा you never know life में आपके कैसे twist से turn आ जाए. So just be prepared, but be yourself. So today, if I say जो हमारा अगर full this session was about your interview preparation. Just be yourself, be prepared, whatever you know, do your prep, do your preparation beforehand, and definitely you're going to rock. Best of luck. This was just a very few tips, few myths, and some preparation tips I have gathered. We'll be coming up with new video and we'll be sharing more details that what to do and how to ace an interview. So stay blessed, stay safe, and stay secure. Take care.